Worth it? Worth it ba
Sana.
sa price?
Mukha naman. Hopefully.
Okay, ito yung bagong jack ni Emil, bagong bili. The Big Red. So, unboxing muna tayo. Ay, ito pala siya. Pwede siya pang car. I guess mid-size sedan, pickup, SUV, and truck.
Kidnap van.
Kidnap van. I think enough naman na to. Ingatan natin yung box.
ASMR.
So matching na siya dun sa ano, sa toolbox ba tawag dun?
Toolbox na
Matching na siya
lumubog.
dun sa toolbox na lumubog.
Hindi pa rin nalilinis.
Hindi ko pala na-mention, guys. Maganda feature dito, slow profile siya. So yan, sa mga lowered cars. And 3 tons. And I think na-mention mo, Emil, no? Parang mataas yung...
Yeah. Yung low profile, minimum height niya. Pero ang sabi sa akin is, ito yan, 508mm yung kaya niya iangat.
Ayan, ito yung
50 centimeters.
So sakto sa gagawin natin today. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ba't dalawa to?
Feeling ko nakakonect sila.
I guess so. So yun
Shit,
yung
parang Darth Maul.
ganda ng packaging, guys. And you have here your manual. And paper lang naman to. Merry Christmas!
Yung scan code. Yung manual niya.
Parang ayoko siya gamitin. Pwede ba natin ilagay sa glass case na lang? Try ko siya buhatin. Ay, di! Mabigat to. Kaya ko ba? Try natin i-lift, guys.
Dali. Wait.
Let's...
Ready?
1, 2,
Go! Wow! Yung bigat na! Oh my God!
Siya yata yung 3 tons. Oh! Wow!
Holy shit!
Ayun, oh. Baba, oh.
Oo, ganyan. Sobra. Ganda. Sakto for lowered cars.
Ganda, ganda.
And then, yun. Double piston siya.
Ayun. Pakita ko sa inyo. If mabuhat ko. Ayan.
Sorry. Double piston.
The double piston. Pagod na ako. So, yan siya. Shout out kay
Brian Z.
Brian C. So, if may nangangailangan ng 3-ton jack, this is it.
As a side, we're going all in. Kaya, i-invest na rin talaga kami sa equipment. So yun, professional. Ito yung menu niya. Menu tuloy, manual. Intended use, yun siya. So, it's capable 3 tons. Lifting range is, lifting range niya, maximum 20 inches. So, 20 inches is medyo mataas. Imagine, almost 2 ruler. So, mataas yun, Lifting range, minimum 80. Ito yung millimeter niya. And then, lifting range maximum is 508mm. So, around mga 50 centimeters. But, yun nga, total 20. So, medyo mataas yun. That's significant. Ayun, next page is, ito, mga safety. Of course, this is a jack. And together with the jack stand, ito yung pang-angat. Kailangan jack stand pa rin yung gagamitin mo. Yung number 1 rule. You guys can screenshot or stop the video muna to see this. But this goes out to any type of hydraulic jack naman. Or any jack for that matter. Pang-angat lang talaga siya. And then you need to use yung mga jack stands para to keep it level. Kasi eventually mawawala rin yung pressure nito. So anyway, moving forward, this is yung diagram niya, assembly diagram. So you can see and check which parts need replacing. Yung kasi yung kinaganda itong branded Big Red Touring na to is you can order individual parts and they will ship it to you. You can have it fixed sa kanila or they'll send you the part itself. So, repairable sila lahat. Yun yung kinaganda versus buying a generic na hindi mo rin agam yung quality. So, from the diagram, ito yung part codes nila. Tsaka yung number. So, you can match it. So, pag may nasirang part na, let's say, itong bolt. Nandito lang siya. Hanapin mo siya. Match mo siya. Yung bolt is... Hindi ko mahanap yung bolt. Ayan. Number 20. Yan. Yun yung bolt. Kunyari na wala. So, match mo lang siya dito. Number 20. Ayan, yan yung part code niya. So, not M16 millimeters, 4 pieces. So, this is what you send them. Tapos, they'll send the part to you.
Galing.
So, repairable. Pero, kumbaga, it really matters if you get the good stuff talaga. Ito yung mga parts nun. Unlike if you get yung cheap ones na mura nga siya, but disposable na. Pag nasira, tapo na. So, yung luma kong jack, nabasa na siya, nag-swimming na. Hindi ko alam kung maayos pa yan. Bala na. Anyways, moving forward to operation. So, ito yung handle niya. But, if you need additional leverage, then you can also use this one. So, nung bata ako, Star Wars mode. Tapos biglang, shit! Oh my God, grabe. Tapos, eto. I think this is a lock. Wait, nanguhula ako.
Para merong naka...
Ito yata yung lock. Hindi kasi binabasa yung manual. Ito na siya. Maski ito mabigat. I think papasok lang yata talaga siya. Kasi ito yung parang lock niya. I think it will lock here. So, hindi ko alam kung masira.
Masira. May part code. May part code
na tayo. Gagsayo. Ang tigas niya, men. Sandali. Okay, so ang intindi kasi namin is kailangang matanggal muna to kasi it's holding this thing in place. Gagawin ko na lang is tatanggalin ko muna tong hold bar na to. Para, ayan nagre-release na siya slightly. So once natanggal ko tong lock, then getting there. Again, one out, then the next one. Finally. So yeah, na-release na siya. So babalik ko na.
Okay. So pwede mo na siya ipasok.
Yay! So mapapasa ko na yung
So guys, tatanggalin pala to.
Kailangan natin. Medyo magrasa siya. Even the lock, sobrang high quality shit. So we'll just tighten this up. It's time. Nice! So ito na yung lock niya. Fit. Perfect fit. So, ang kinaganda kasi ng mga jacks na to is yung ibang jack na hydraulic jack. May maliit ka pang parang screw, bolt, or something. Tapos yun yung pang-release mo ng pressure. For this one, it's the handle itself. So, rotate mo lang yung handle. Luluwag na siya or sisikip.
Ay, galing.
Okay? So, sample. Sige, pangata natin. Oh my God. Taas ng lift na yun. Isang ano pa lang yun. 2. Holy shit. 3. Ibang jack, yan yung maximum eh. Sobrang taas na nga yun eh. Yung level na yan. Kaya pa. Kaya pa, man.
Nice.
Kaya pa, gags.
Nahulog na yung kotse niya.
Nahulog na. Ayan na, parang nag-ano na siya, nag-top na siya. Yeah, I think yan yung maximum. And then you just twist it on the right to lock it. Yan na yun. Look at that height. Wow. Tapos to release, ito lang siya. Twist mo lang pabaliktad. Boom.
A few moments later.
Going back lang, you can see na every part here is robust, makapal. Parts are medyo solid. Solid talaga actually. Wheels are solid na metal talaga. So pang professional, pang garage talaga siya. Pang mga shop talaga. And then if you... Bigat. If you look from the other side, yan siya lahat. So, sobrang robust din ng construction niya. Ang ganda ng pagka-weld so far. Double piston, kaya parang isang ganun lang ang lakas ng lift niya. Springs are solid. Ito, solid yung wheels. Metal lahat, ball bearings. So, talagang meant to last. Of course, quality materials, minsan mahal talaga siya. Sometimes, more expensive is more better. Sabi nga din sa donut. The thing about this one kasi is, if ever may masira kang part dito, you can have it repaired. You can have it repaired, you can buy the parts individually. You have the manual. Hindi siya disposable. So yun talaga siya. Compared to getting yung cheap ones talaga na unbranded, hindi mo na alam ano mangyari sa kanila later on. This one, I think this is built to last.
Worth it? Worth it ba?
Sana.
Sa price?
Mukha naman. Hopefully.